Yes, welcome students. Exercise number 8.4, question number 4 and part number 3. We have done two parts already. This is third part. Third part is sec a plus tan a in one bracket and in multiplication multiplied with 1 minus sin a. You can see sec a and tan a are breaking terms. This has simple formula 1 upon cos a. This has sin a upon cos a. This is already in lowest terms sine. So there is no need to break it. You can copy it in second step. इसको copy कर लेना है second step में. But both of these terms are breakable. This breaks into 1 upon cos a. And this breaks into, this is small formula, sin a upon cos a. You can take LCM of this part. Yes, very simple. You cos a and this is 1 plus sin a. And this is multiplying term. Multiplying term is 1 minus sin a. Go step by step. This is multiplying term. In numerator we can see 1 plus sin a and this is also a numerator. You can assume upon 1. Both are numerators but both has different sign. This is term of a plus b and this is term of a minus b. A plus b, if we multiply a plus b and a minus b, we find a square minus b square. This is simple algebraic formula. This is identity a plus b into a minus b. We find a square minus b square. In this case, a is 1 and b is sin a. A is 1, 1 is square minus b is sin a. Sin a and whole square and denominator gives cos a into 1. This gives cos a. One square gives 1. Sin a whole square gives sin square a. Don't write as sin a square. This is wrong. In trigonometric ratios, you apply this square on this place. Don't write like this. This is wrong. This is right. Cos A. This is small formula again. This is small formula. Our first formula is sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. We can see here 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A gives cos square A. You can write cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is visible. We can replace this by cos square A upon cos A. Cos A is already in numerator. Now we can cancel. This is cos A into cos A upon cos A gives cos A. This is our answer. This is option D. Option D is right. Cos A. So this statement is equals to cos A. Very simple. Now come to next question. This is equals to 1 plus tan square A gives sec square A. This is formula. And 1 plus cot square A gives cosec square A. This is formula number 2 and this is formula number 3. 1 plus cot square A gives cosec square A. Now break into lowest terms. Sec A gives 1 upon cos A. This is sec square A, so we can write here 1 upon cos square A. In denominator, cosec square A, 1 means cosec A gives 1 upon sin A. Then cosec square A gives 1 upon sin square A. This is numerator upon denominator. This is numerator upon denominator. This is division line. We can reciprocal all the denominator. 1 upon cos square A into this goes to upside sin square A upon 1. We will get sin square A into 1 sin square A upon cos square A into 1 cos square A. So sin square A upon cos square A gives what? Tan square A. Again combined it. Sin A upon cos A gives tan A, but both are squares. So this term is equals to tan square A. So your option D is again right, tan square. Do these like questions, very simple.